Today we're cooking Budae Jjigae, also known as Korean army base stew. To make the broth, I like using these dashi packs that include anchovies, kelp, and mushrooms. You can get them from Korean grocery stores. For the stew, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 package of ramen, 1/3 of an onion, 1 green onion, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, a handful of enoki and oyster mushrooms, approximately 1 cup of well-fermented kimchi, 1 sausage, tofu, and half a can of Spam. Cut the Spam into thin slices. Cut the sausage. Chop the onion. Chop the green onion. Cut the tofu into medium pieces and mince your garlic. Boil the dashi pack in about 6 cups of water for 5 minutes and remove the packet. You can also use chicken or beef broth if you prefer. Add the kimchi, minced garlic, and onion to the broth. Put in the soup base and veggie packets that come with the ramen and boil for about 5 minutes. Next, add the ramen, Spam, sausage, tofu, mushrooms, and green onions. Boil for 4 minutes. And this is how you make delicious and flavorful Budae Jjigae. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.